The Bambu Lab A1 Mini is a standout in this field. In this review, we will explore the features and performance of the Bambu Lab A1 Mini. This compact 3D printer promises high-quality prints and user-friendly operation. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, understanding its capabilities can help you decide if it's the right fit for your needs. We'll look at its design, ease of use, print quality, and more. By the end, you will have a clear idea of what this printer offers and if it meets your expectations. Let's dive into the details of the Bambu Lab A1 Mini. Bambu Lab A1 Mini. Discover the Bambu Lab A1 Mini, a compact and efficient 3D printer. Perfect for beginners, it offers user-friendly features and reliable performance. Enjoy smooth printing with this handy device. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini is a standout in the world of compact 3D printers. This review will delve into its features, performance, and overall value. Let's explore what makes the Bambu Lab A1 Mini a compelling choice for beginners and experts alike. Design and build quality. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini boasts a sleek and modern design. Built with durable materials, it ensures long-lasting use. It fits well in small spaces, making it ideal for home or office settings. Printing performance. The performance of the Bambu Lab A1 Mini is impressive. Here are some key aspects. Print speed. Delivers quick results without compromising quality. Precision. Produces detailed prints with high accuracy. Noise level. Operates quietly, suitable for any environment. Ease of use. Using the Bambu Lab A1 Mini is straightforward. It features a user-friendly interface. Even beginners can get started quickly. The setup process is simple and hassle-free. Software and connectivity. The software and connectivity options are robust. Users can enjoy compatibility, works well with various software applications. Connectivity supports Wi-Fi, USB, and Ethernet connections. Updates. Regular software updates improve functionality. Customer support. Customer support for the Bambu Lab A1 Mini is reliable. The company offers assistance, prompt help through multiple channels. Resources, comprehensive guides and tutorials. Warranty. Ensures peace of mind with a solid warranty. Value for money. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini offers excellent value. It combines quality, performance, and ease of use, perfect for both hobbyists and professionals. Bambu Lab A1 Mini, pros and cons. Pros, compact and portable, ideal for small spaces. Easy to use, beginner-friendly interface and setup. High-quality prints, accurate and detailed results. Cons, limited build volume, may not be suitable for large projects. Software can have occasional bugs, although generally user-friendly, some minor software issues may arise. Frequently asked questions. What are the main features of Bambu Lab A1 Mini? The Bambu Lab A1 Mini has compact design, easy setup, and high precision. Great for beginners. How does Bambu Lab A1 Mini perform? It performs well with accurate prints and reliable operation, ideal for small projects.